How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so before we get into today's topic discussion, I do want to kind of point out something that's pretty interesting for you guys. If you guys are interested and you guys use the Google News app, you guys can definitely follow my little space on the Google News and just kind of get everything fed to you in one area. So what I mean by that is that it has, it has the feed from my Twitter, it has my YouTube feed, it has my podcast feed, and also my blog feed as well. So 4 things in one spot, easy to find. Just search up Aloha Android on the Google News app, and then you guys will definitely have access to it if you guys choose to. So that's kind of wanted to throw that out there. But anyways, guys, let's talk Boost Mobile. Very interesting. So Dish has acquired Boost Mobile. The deal's been closed. And already, if you go to boostmobile.com, you can see on the website that there's 2 new plans that's been added on there. One called Shrink It, which is a $45 plan that gives you 15 gigabytes of LTE, and then you are throttled down to 2G speeds afterwards. Now, the interesting thing about this plan is that it revives an old plan that Boost Mobile used to have, where you would reduce the amount that you pay after 3 on-time payments. So with this Shrink It plan, it's $5 for every 3 on-time payments, which means that in 6 months you can drop your bill from $45 to $35 a month, 15 gigabytes of LTE, and then throttle to 2G speeds. Now the second plan, which is kind of a step up from their original $35 plan, is the new $35 plan, which gives you 10 gigabytes of LTE per month. Now the difference between that and the shrinkage plan is that the shrinkage plan, you throttle down to 2G speeds after you use your 15 gigabytes of LTE. Whereas on the $35 plan that gives you 10 gigs of LTE, that's it. Once you surpass 10 gigs, you are cut off from data for the remainder of your bill cycle, which is kind of crazy because I made a video a while back talking about T-Mobile during the whole issue with what's going on today. They were offering a 2 gigabyte plan that was basically cut off after the 2 gigs of LTE usage. So with that being said, the $35 plan seems to be a little bit better because it's giving you more. It's giving you 8 gigabytes more than the T-Mobile plan did. I don't remember what the price was for the T-Mobile 2 gig plan. Was it $10 or $20? I don't remember. Somebody help me out in the comment section how that goes. But anyways, $35 gives you 10 gigs. So these are 2 new plans being introduced as of today, and that is because Boost has been acquired by Dish. So the whole entire thing of this is that Boost Mobile, to answer people's questions, is that does Boost Mobile still run on Sprint or does it run on T-Mobile now? It's actually running on T-Mobile now, in areas that the market has been upgraded. This SIM card right here will no longer be recognized by Boost Mobile's website when you try to activate it. And this is the one that, if you guys see, has, Sprint, Boost Mobile, Virgin Mobile. So it's the SIM card that connects to the Sprint network for LTE for those 3 carriers that used to be. When you go into a Boost Mobile store, you buy the expanded network SIM card. And that's currently what's used in this iPhone 6s Plus right now that I'm testing it out, and it relies on T-Mobile's network. Now the crazy thing is that before the deal was closed between Dish and T-Mobile, when T-Mobile pretty much housed Boost Mobile during this transition period, they prioritized Boost Mobile customers over T-Mobile postpaid customers. So you saw pretty decent speeds. I will be doing some speed tests all this week to kind of see where things lie at with Boost Mobile now that it's owned by Dish. And Peter Adderton was very, very, very vocal about how he felt about the change of the logo. And, the fact is that it's rumored that these 2 plans that Boost is offering is going to be the plans that Boost will offer. Currently, right now, when you go to boostmobile.com, you can see the $50 unlimited and the $60 unlimited is still there. Now, rumor has it that those plans will still be kept, that there will still be unlimited data plans for Boost customers in the form of a $50 and $60 plan. Sources are also saying that those plans will actually go away, but if you are on those plans, you will be grandfathered into them for some time before eventually being moved on to the newer plans. whatever Dish has down the pike for Boost Mobile customers. It's really sad, in my opinion, if that is the case. If that's really what's going to happen here, is that unlimited is going to be taken away from Boost Mobile. That's really going to push a lot of customers that are on Boost Mobile to go to other MVNO companies such as Metro by T-Mobile and Cricket Wireless. Again, a need for fully unlimited data service is still there. There's a lot of people, we can call them out on their habits or whatever. It doesn't matter. They're the customer. They are paying a monthly rate. They're going to use their service the way they want to use their service, and we are nobody to really judge them. But there are those people out there who really use their unlimited prepaid plan as internet for their IoTs in their home. Like, they turn on the hotspot and they use it for everything, watching Netflix on their TV or gaming online, connecting their game console to it to be able to game online with friends and family. I mean, people use their unlimited data services the way that they want to use it. The point being is that with Boost not really offering an unlimited data service, if these two plans are going to be it for now, because they can always change it in the future, then this looks very grim and very bleak for Boost Mobile. And I'm going to say that because you guys who have rocked with me for a long time know that I used Boost Mobile for quite some time and did a lot of unboxings of their phones that came out in the past years. And I really, really like their services. I mean, I got a ton of flack from people out there that was like, Boost is garbage and everything else like that. You guys would not believe the amount of just people coming on there. Those people that were like Metro by T-Mobile supporters, and back then it was Metro PCS, and they would come on and tell me like, hey, Boost sucks, and that's why I went to Metro. Like, I have gotten a ton of those comments, and still, you know what, like I said, I like what I like, I use what I use, and I use Boost Mobile, and I explain that to people. And I really like their services, especially here where in the city that I lived in. Boost was pretty good. It worked really, really good for me. So it's really sad to see these types of changes happening to an extent where it's like, you want to look at Dish and be like, this is the grand opening scheme you guys had planned for Boost Mobile when you guys acquired it. You guys are going to get rid of unlimited plans in favor of a limited data pool plans. Like, I mean, the shrink it plan is actually pretty cool. Let's not kid ourselves. Some people are going to question it and be like, how is that special? Well, I mean, it's not special, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I mean, if you're going to question that and be about like Verizon's doing good with their prepaid plan, that if you are loyal and long-term committed on-time payments, that you can reduce your plan rate, and you got to give it to Boost Mobile. I mean, Boost Mobile was like the one that did it a while back. This plan is not exactly brand new. They've done it before, but not having a unlimited data offering, that's where it really gets kind of tricky. That's where I look at Dish and say, what are you guys doing? I mean, for right now, the $50 plan and the $60 plan is still currently available as a choice option if you sign up for Boost Mobile right now, as well as the older $35 plan is still also on Boost Mobile as a choice option if you go with 3 gigabytes. But again, it has it that Boost is going to ditch unlimited. And even Peter Adderton tweeted that out the other day, that they were going to do that. And again, for somebody, Peter Adderton, if you don't know who he is, he's the founder of Boost Mobile, okay? You go to his Twitter page and it says it right there. He's the founder of Boost Mobile, and he still runs and operates Boost Mobile Australia. But he is the founder of Boost Mobile. And so to see something that he created kind of like get changed and tweaked and whatnot, like some people will say, well, he's just, being salty about it because he's seeing what other companies are doing with the company he started. And it's like, yeah, but in this instance, if they're getting rid of unlimited, like fully unlimited, and in favor of these two plans, the $35 and the $45 plan, the 10 and 15 gigabyte plan, I mean, for those people who have home Wi-Fi, it's going to work out great for you guys. Because if you're always on home Wi-Fi, then you're not really going to burn past your 15 gigs or even your 10 gigs. But then, like I said, there are people who use their data services with their provider for hotspot to give internet to their IoTs in their home. If you don't know what IoTs means, it means Internet of Things. So like your gaming console, your smart TVs, your tablets, your computers, those things, smart refrigerators. That's what it means. It gives internet to those things, so those things can access the internet and be used the way that you guys want to use them. So, anyways, guys, I mean, I don't know. It's really sad to really see where this is going, and I'm not really liking the part of getting rid of unlimited data. I really think that the way that I would have done it is, $35 10 gigabyte hard capped, $45 on-time payments after 6 months total. You would reduce down to $35 for 15 gigs soft cap, and then do a fully unlimited at $55 and just leave it at that. As far as the taxes and fees included, it seems like that the mobile industry is getting away from that taxes and fees will be reintroduced at some point down the road, and we'll have to deal with those nasty little taxes and fees included all over again. We'll see how things go as the telecom industry evolves. But that's it for right now, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Are you guys excited for these new boost plans? Tell me why. If you guys are not, tell me why as well. Drop a like if you enjoyed it, thumbs down it, and if you do, dislike it. Tell me why. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for checking out today's video. You guys have been clutch as always. Yeah. Oh, and if you subscribe to the channel, thanks for doing that. Wow, I'm losing my spill here. And yeah, the bell icon, click that to be notified when I upload. But that's it. Again, guys, thanks for checking it out. And as always, aloha.